cookbook, and it features recipes submitted by cooks around the state. WAOB News 10 Stephanie Springer is in the newsroom with more.
Well, Ben, Loretta Jeffries Young decided to put a Georgia twist on baklava, which is a Greek dessert. She did this by adding peanuts, walnuts, and pecans, which landed her a spot in an upcoming cookbook. Loretta Jeffries Young is no stranger in the kitchen. In fact, she spent most of her life cooking.
They know when they stop by, there's going to be some kind of special, unusual treat here at the Young household.
She describes her cooking style as eclectic, and over the years, she's mastered a melting pot of recipes, many of which were passed down through her family. A friend encouraged her to enter a recipe into a cooking contest on Georgia Public Broadcasting. Contestants were asked to submit a secret family recipe. The top 3 will appear on a new program called Georgia Cooks, and others will be featured in a Georgia Cooks recipe book.
Thought it out. What I want in a cookbook that would represent Georgia, that would also help the economy.
So she put a Georgia twist on a traditionally Greek dish.
I called it baklava, done Southwest Georgian way.
She adds peanuts, pecans, and walnuts, which are all important to Southwest Georgia's agriculture industry. And she says if you like pecan pie, this is the dish for you.
Once the honey caramelizes with the sugar, if you like pecan pie, this is it.
And Thursday, she got some very exciting news.
Congratulations are in order, as your recipe will be entered into the Georgia Cooks Secret Family Recipes Cookbook. That's my dream.
For more than 20 years, she's been working on her own cookbook and says this is an honor she never imagined.
My dream was to take the years that I was a restaurateur and a caterer and put together a cookbook of my family recipes and some of the things I learned along the way.
She hopes she can make that cookbook a reality in the near future. And she says next up, she wants to hold workshops for people who don't know how to cook, so she can show them just how easy it is.
Might have to take one of those workshops, Stephanie. You can catch that show, Georgia Cooks, on December 4th on GPB. Keep Albany Dirty Beautiful is